Question 11. There are 24,000 square miles of forest in a western state. Forest fires decrease this area by 9.2% each year. The state needs to have more than 15,000 square miles of forest to keep their funding from a nonprofit wildlife organization. Which inequality represents this situation? And if the fires continue to decrease in the area of the forest at the same rate, will the state be able to keep their funding from the nonprofit wildlife organization in 5 years? So it's a two-part question. So first off, I underlined the word decrease. So that's a synonym for the word decay. So I can erase the growth formula here. We're going to use the decay formula. A is the initial value, R is the rate. So what is the initial value of square miles of forest? Well, it looks like typically that initial value is going to come at the beginning of the problem. We start with this, something happens, in this case, to decrease the amount of square mileage, and we end up with, or wanting to end up with more than 15,000. So 24,000 is our initial value. That is our A. Our R value comes from the 9.2%. Of course, remember to take 9.2, divide it by 100. So this is our R value, 0.092. So 1 minus 0.092. In this problem, of course, they give us a number of years of 5, but if I look at the choices, they're just wanting us to leave it in terms of t to begin with. So what next thing we need to figure out, what is 1 minus 0.092? Well, I can guess without even putting it in my calculator. Oh, no, those are different values. So we do want to put this in our calculator just to make sure we don't make a simple mistake. So what is 1 minus 0.092? 0.908. So really we can stop there. We know what the answer is going to be without having to go any further, because there's only one answer that has a 0.908 in there in the parentheses after we do 1 minus r. So A is the answer.